All right, now that we've made the basic guess my number game, we are going to make a little improvement to it. So this is our original game. Remember, it has a number in mind. Oops, guess away, trace back, most recent call. Where's that line, guess count? Oh, I haven't done that yet. So here we go. Here's our game that you have running. What's your guess? My guess is 45. Too low. 67. Too high. 56. Too low. 60, too low, 63, too high, 62, 61. You were right, my number is 61. Okay, so the first improvement that I want to do is I want to keep track of how many guesses the person makes as they're playing the game. So I'm going to go ahead and introduce a new variable called guess underscore count equals 0. When the game starts, nobody has guessed anything. And then every time you get here, where you say, what is your guess, then we should say guess count equals guess count plus 1. So I'm going to keep tracking that. And then when we get here to this line, it means you've guessed the correct number. So we're going to say print, you guessed my number in comma, guess count, comma, guesses. All right, so let's see if that works. It's just our one minor improvement to our program so far. All right, so I have a number in mind. Let's see, my guess is 45, too high, 23, too low, 34, too low, 40, too low, 43. That's right, and I got it in 5 guesses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that works. So that is your first improvement. A couple things to note about this. One is that this line of code, guess count equals guess count plus 1, you do this so often where you add numbers to an existing variable that Python gives you a shortcut for that, and you can just say plus equals 1. So what that means is the same thing as guess count equals guess count plus 1. That's the shortcut is plus equals. And also know that it's really important how you format your variables. So if this were a capital G down here, it would think it's a totally different variable. It has to be a lowercase g because the variable up here is a lowercase g and the variable up here is a lowercase g. Also, if I were to misspell this and have it be EU here instead of UE, it would also give me an error. But right now what we've done is we've made one minor improvement to our game, which is where we track the number of guesses.